G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out. We're going to go through a lead hook from this position, and that simply means anything that hits your attacker, your opponent, on the side of his face. So my jabs and my crosses are always front on. Anything kind of from the side, or my hooks for example, hit on the side of the face. Now you can do this from different angles, different distances, but I prefer to do it right up when my elbow's on his chest. If my elbow doesn't touch his chest, I think it's probably a little bit better to go forward so it does. Because then with your hook is all body rotation instead of just arm. If I throw it just arm, it's a little bit of rotation and mainly pec. I want it to be all body and my hand is just stuck at the end of my body, and my body is more weight, it's more rotation, it's heavier, and it's a bigger impact. If you tend to throw it body first, hand second, and get this bit of a whip situation going on, for a split second, if I do it here, your face is open before your hook comes through, and I don't like having my face open at all, so I prefer to have it buried in here. I've rotated forward, my elbow's on his chest, and it's just all body. I don't take my hand off at all to throw my hook and leave myself exposed. So we're in nice and close. I've rotated fully forward with my right side because that loads it up, it puts tension and springs in my back and muscles and makes me spring back automatically. So we rotate through far as I can get, and when I rotate back, I come through in this position. My elbow's in, my hand's up, and I throw my hook from here. Depending on how you can do it, there's a whole bunch of different variations, but for me, I prefer to have my chin in, I have my elbow down, and I open palm it, again for the same reason, so I don't have to damage my wrist or split my skin on his face or teeth and mix our blood. So I've rotated through, cover up, body rotation, and it's all body that hits the pad, and it's all rotation. At the end, as I said, I'm covered up, my elbow is in, and if I rotate as far as I can, my next punch on my right side is going to be as good as it can be because there's maximum rotation because I've set it up after my hook. So a couple of times, rotate forward, elbow on his chest, cover up, elbow in, chin's buried. I don't go body first, arm second, like this, where for a split second, my face is open, it's covered up, it's just body. So that's the way I do it. As I said, there's a whole bunch of different variations, but that's the way I like to do it.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.